In this video, I'll show you how to create and find your Grok API key. The first thing you need to do is go to console.x.ai. Then sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you're signed in, look at the left side of the dashboard. You'll see a section called API Keys. Click on it. Next, click on Create API Key. Now type a name for your key, for example, test key. You can choose the permission level for this key, such as all or restricted, and even select specific models if you want to limit access. For this example, I'll choose all. Below that, you can configure rate limits. You can set the total number of tokens per minute or the total number of requests per minute that can be made using this key, also known as TPM and RPM. If you're not sure what to choose, just keep the default settings. Once you're done, click Create API Key. Your new API key will now appear on the screen. Make sure to copy it immediately because you won't be able to see it again later. Also, keep your key private and don't share it with anyone. And that's it. That's how you create and find your Grok API key on console.x.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more AI and tech tutorials.